Get excited about the 2012 Chrysler 300. This four-door, five-passenger sedan leads among competitors in its segment. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the refined six-cylinder engine, providing a spirited yet composed ride and drive. Top features include front bucket seats, delay-off headlights, front and rear reading lights, speed-sensitive wipers, automatic temperature control, power door mirrors and heated door mirrors, and cruise control. Audio features include a CD player with MP3 capability, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 6 speakers providing excellent sound throughout the cabin. Chrysler ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, ignition disabling, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control ensures solid grip atop the road surface, no matter how challenging the driving conditions. Our team is professional and we offer a no-pressure environment. Stop in and take a test drive.